The use of technology in construction is growing every day, and every day new technology is being implemented in construction. The Trimble Summer program helps to spread the word in how to use technology in construction management. We are partnering with Trimble, a global company, to provide kids in the high school with a look inside how to develop 3D modeling specifically for construction projects. We are exposing them to something that they don't normally see in their high school. We are giving them the opportunity to choose a career that will be rewarding and exciting.
Trimble has a longer standing relationship with FIU, and we internally have a big push to support education. The idea being that if students can see it, they can be it. And so if we can show them what people are using and what they're doing in industry, be that across construction, surveying, architecture, and many beyond that, they'll have a better idea of what they need to work on and what to aim for if they want to come and work in those industries.
My favorite part of this program, like really being able to embrace your creativity and create something that you think about and that you can design. That was like one of my favorite parts about this program.
I never thought about architecture at all. It was always pre-med, sports med, or it was computer science, and architecture wasn't anything I thought about, and now it's like there's something else there, that I can do.
I think a unique thing about the Trimble experience here is students are getting access to sort of industry tools that are honestly quite expensive and pretty high grade in terms of like what they can do. So it's a great sort of melting pot both on Trimble's side to see like if we can get a high school to learn this software, like we can get anybody. But also it's interesting to see what they're doing with it because they're not way down in the world of practicality like a professional is in any industry. They're just full of ambition and ideas. So it's really interesting to see where cutting edge technology and then unfiltered creativity collide. I'm always blown away by how creative these kids are and also how well spoken some of them are. The talent every year at this thing gets better and better. And I'm hoping that some of the children here will walk away with a real inspiration to be a design professional, whether it's an architect, engineer, interior designer, landscape architect, whatever.
Because of the impact that we're doing with the Trimble Summer Camp, we may be expanding in the future to other engineering careers and other fields like architecture. They will blend very nicely with the teachings that we're doing in the Trimble Summer Camp.